What's up guys, welcome to Style It with Ronnie. My name is Ronnie Andabwa. Now on today's video, I am simply going to show you 10 things that I carry with me every day. These are 10 essentials that help me in my day-to-day life, in everything that I do every day. And these are things that I believe men should have at all times because they're going to make your life easier and you won't regret carrying these things, all right? I hope these things are going to inspire you. They are minimal things, they are very cheap things. You can buy them any place, anytime, any day. You don't have to break the bank to get these things, all right? Without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, now on to my first thing that I carry every day. This has to be my phone. Listen, it's 2019. We need to post things on Instagram. We need to stalk people on Instagram. We need to communicate by WhatsApp, message app, Facebook, YouTube. You need to watch this video. I need to post videos on YouTube. I need to shoot videos. I use my phone. So that's the first essential, and I'm sure every man needs to carry this because, like, bro, you need a phone. It's 2019. All right, so that's the first essential, my phone. Now on to the second essential. This has to be Wi-Fi. Now, I know most of you guys probably, or some of you guys maybe have routers at home. You connect to Wi-Fi, or maybe you just buy data bundles like on a daily. But for me, I have this device. It's called a MiFi. It helps me hotspot Wi-Fi to main devices. So this one is better because it is from fiber, and fiber is fast, obviously, and it's affordable. And the good thing is you just buy this device without even buying a SIM card because they give you a SIM card for free. Once you subscribe to the monthly package, I am sure you're not going to finish the 25 GB. So that is why this is my second essential. This is Wi-Fi. You need Wi-Fi to watch YouTube videos. You need Wi-Fi to communicate. You need Wi-Fi to know stuff. So yeah, that's an essential. I think every man needs to carry Wi-Fi, at least a MiFi, if you do not want to hustle around with bundles all the time. To my third item that I carry with me every day, this has to be a pair of earphones. Now, most times we guys, I know we get into our feelings. Number one, we can get emotional. Number two, we can just want to be at our zone. At times you're at the gym, you're trying to bench press or squat, but you don't want to hear the noises. You just want to shut down and lock your mind and, you know, just focus on squatting or bench pressing or deadlifting. So you have earphones. Obviously they're going to help you. Or maybe you're just, you know, out and about and you're just chilling. You're just listening to, and you want to listen to music. So the best thing to have is a pair of earphones that are going to help you listen to music. I have these earphones from Samsung. I just bought them with my phone. I just got them with my phone. So yeah, the third essential is earphones. All right. The fourth essential has to be charger. You know, you have several devices. You have your phone, you have your MiFi. All these things need to be charged so that you won't be offline one way or another. So a charger is very essential. I have this charger that is from Samsung. I got it with my phone. It's a fast charging adapter. So with this, I am very secure. I'm never offline, and yeah, it's a very dope essential. All right, now on to the fifth essential. Now this is some Vaseline. Now look, it's this type of Vaseline. It's Vaseline petroleum jelly aloe vera. It's purposefully for soothing dry skin and lips, but I just use this for the lips because you do not want a lady telling you ebu lamba hizo lips zako. That's the worst comment you can get from a lady. A lady said that to me once, and from that day on I just had Vaseline with me all the time because at times your lips can get dry and hata ulambe lips aje bado zitakuwa dry. This is an essential because it helps your lips from, you know, being rusty, from it being crusty, and from it being ashy and whatnot. So that is my fifth essential, Vaseline. And this thing is quite expensive. It's around 250 if I'm not wrong. So I'd advise you to just go for the normal Vaseline, the small one that goes for 25 shillings, and you're still good to go. All right. Now on to the sixth essential. This has to be cologne. Now if you know me, you know very well that I do not apply cologne. But I was bought this cologne by my friend, so I decided why not wear it. But I do not wear it on a regular because at times cologne can be obnoxious. Someone is wearing a cologne in a matatu and it is very, very, very shouty. It really turns me off. So I can imagine myself wearing cologne and maybe I applied too much and it might be really shouting, and it can affect someone maybe in a matatu, well, maybe when I'm in a matatu or when I'm just in front of a lot of people or a congregation. So cologne is my essential. I don't apply it every day, but the times I feel like I need to apply it, blah blah blah, when I'm going on a date and stuff like that, I kind of use cologne. All right, this is eau de parfum. It is called Euphoria Men. So thanks, best friend, for buying me this. Essential number 7 has to be this comb. It's an afro comb. I bought it kitambo like 3 years ago. It helps me because I have long hair most of the times. I have long hair, so I just helps me adjust my hair and stuff like that. So yeah, there's not much to explain when it comes to a comb. So yeah, that's the 7th essential. The 8th essential has to be some chewing gum. My guy, fresh breath is always amazing. Never lie to yourself that you always have fresh breath. At times you just need some fresh or some type of chewing gum to make your breath fresh and whatnot. So I have this fresh. It only costs 5 shillings, and with that it does the job. You can buy Orbit, you can buy whichever type of gum, but this is an essential for me because it's inexpensive and it does the job. All right, now on to my 9th essential. It has to be a notebook. You know, this is a notebook that I use to write my goals. I write things that I feel, but although I have another one over there, but this is the one that I work with when I just want to write down something faster. All right, because it is also not a hassle to carry this in your bag. All right, so that is the 9th essential. And finally, the last essential has to be this pen. Yeah, you know, you're working with a notebook, you must have a pen, and someone like me who gets orders all the time needs to be writing down stuff. So yeah, this is the 10th essential. I don't know, I hope this video has helped you one way or another. If it has, make sure you leave a comment on the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe, share this video to a friend or two. If you do not have these essentials as a man, just know that you need to have this because they're going to help you in your day-to-day endeavors. All right, so until I see you next time, guys, peace.